I'm an admissions manager at Blyth Academy. Blyth Academy was founded 41 years ago by Sam Blyth to bring to life his vision of a global education for students and encouraging students to become global citizens and experiencing education all around the world. So in the last 40 years, Blyth Academy has grown from a traveling program through Europe to include 14 high school locations across Ontario, with more added every year, as well as international locations for high schools in Florence, Italy, Washington, D.C., and Doha, Qatar. We have a variety of different programs within each of these schools, from our full-time program to night school, Saturday classes, summer classes, as well as a very robust online program with over 100 credits available. And we also have a very popular international summers program with Canadians and international students alike traveling the world, both during the summer on that program and with our global high school. So our most popular program for Italian students is our Blyth Academy in Florence, Italy. It's very popular for local Italian students as well as international families and Canadian students. There's an opportunity to attend during the day as a full-time day school if you live in Florence or the surrounding area. We also have a residence with both 5- and 7-day boarding opportunities from students outside of the Florence area. At this school, students have the opportunity to study both the Canadian curriculum or the option to pursue the Cambridge curriculum to complete their IGCSEs and their AS and A-level exams, earning either that British certification or Canadian diploma that will allow them to apply to universities and colleges internationally. We do see more and more Italian students looking at coming to study at our school in Canada and combining either the education with their local Italian curriculum or combining it with Blyth Academy in Florence. In Canada, we see a very diverse population of both our Canadian students from a nationality perspective as well as our international students that integrate to form a very dynamic and inclusive student body. Our Blyth Academy locations in Canada have a very small class size. It's a maximum of 12 students, so often an average of 8 or 9 students in a class, which is especially attractive to our international students because it provides a lot of attention from the teacher to accommodate their learning style and really include them in the class and the learning opportunities. In terms of studying in Canada as a destination and a location, there's a very unique culture in Canada that's different from other North American locations, and even within the different cities in Canada, where we have our 14 different Blyth Academy locations, you find very unique cultures and environments to explore and get to know North America and Canadian culture. We attract international students through our website and social media, as well as by attending agent fairs and recruiting events and connecting with our agent network to maintain and grow and diversify our international student population every year. I've really been enjoying this ETN workshop here in Milan. It's been a wonderful experience getting to see the city and getting to connect with so many different Italian organizations and agencies all in one place and learn a lot about the Italian school curriculum and how we can adapt to that and accommodate Italian students at our schools in Canada, as well as transitioning to our Blyth Academy location in Florence.